Welcome to Your Relationships Matter. In this video, you'll discover a 12-week series dedicated to exploring how the connections we have with others and ourselves deeply impact our relationships mentally and emotionally. Good relationships are the foundation of our well-being, yet they can also bring challenges, growth, and healing. We'll dive into real talks about boundaries management, communication, self-love, and navigating difficult moments with compassion and strength. Each week offers you practical tools and heartfelt insights to help build stronger, healthier relationships, whether it's with family, friends, romantic partners, coworkers, customers, clients, and even your inner self. These series are designed to support you through reflection, skill building, and empowerment, so you can create connections that uplift and nurture you. No matter where you are in your relationship journey, these series will meet you with understanding and encouragement. Let's start building the safe, loving connections you deserve, because your relationships truly matter. Week 1. Why relationships shape everything. Reflect on how your relationships impact your mood and mindset, meaning write down who you hang out with and how they make you feel then. Ask yourself, do I feel emotionally safe around the people I spend the most time with? Healthy relationships can help regulate stress, boost self-worth, and improve your overall well-being. Don't ignore emotional discomfort in your connections. It's valuable information. Relationships that support your mental health will feel steady, not chaotic. Give yourself permission to need connection. It's not weakness. It's being human. Your relationships are the lens through which you see yourself in the world. The more you understand how deeply they influence your mental and emotional health, the more empowered you are to make intentional choices. This week, reflect, assess, and get honest about what relationships are feeding you, and which ones are quietly draining you, then do what you need to do. Week 2. Boundaries are love. Boundaries protect your peace, not punish others. Saying no without over-explaining is a completely honorable sentence. If someone gets upset by your boundaries, it doesn't mean you did something wrong. It's all about their feelings. Boundaries teach others how to love and respect you. Overgiving leads to burnout. You're not selfish for needing rest. You can be kind and firm at the same time. Boundaries are one of the purest forms of self-respect and real love. They don't create distance, they create clarity. This week is about learning how to honor your needs, express your limits without guilt, and build relationships that feel mutually balanced and safe. Week 3. The power of communication. Speak from your own experiences instead of pointing fingers. Use I feel instead of you always. It softens conflict instantly. Listening to understand is more powerful than listening to respond. Silence and shutdowns don't solve problems. Open dialogue does. You can say hard things gently and still be heard. A simple check-in like, "Hey, are we okay?" can change everything. Communication is the heartbeat of every relationship. This week is about developing the courage to be clear, the patience to listen well, and the skill to express your truth without chaos. When communication improves, connection deepens, and that's where real healing begins. Week 4. Relationship, red flags and green flags. If you feel like you're walking on eggshells, that's a red flag, not a personality clash. Control disguised as care is still control. Green flags mean that they listen when you speak, respect your no's, and apologize without deflecting. One consistent green flag is emotional safety, not perfection. People who want to grow with you won't shame you for your feelings. Being the fixer in every relationship is exhausting. You deserve balance too. Not all harm in relationships is loud or obvious. This week is about learning how to spot both red flags that need your attention and green flags that deserve your trust. You can grow deeper connections when you're clear on what to look for and what to walk away from. Week 5. Navigating conflict with respect. Disagreements are normal, disrespect is not. Use "I feel hurt" instead of "you hurt me" to open space for healing. Taking a pause in a conflict doesn't mean giving up. It shows emotional maturity. Conflict handled with care can actually strengthen the relationship. You don't need to win an argument to be heard. Repair is more important than being right. Conflict isn't a sign something's broken. It's an invitation to grow, together or apart. This week focuses on how to handle tough moments without causing harm, how to take accountability, and how to repair the connection after missteps. Week 6. Letting go with love. If you're constantly explaining why you deserve to be treated well, it might be time to model how you want to be treated or simply let it go. Closure doesn't always come in words. Sometimes it's a quiet decision. Ending something doesn't mean it was a failure. It means you're honoring your growth. People come into your life for a reason, a season, or a lifetime. You can love someone and still choose yourself. Walking away is hard, but staying in pain is harder. Letting go isn't a betrayal of the past. It's an act of deep self-trust. This week is about releasing what no longer serves your well-being, with honesty and compassion. When you let go with love, you make space for peace, healing, and relationships aligned with who you. Week 7. Friendship is mental health. 2. True friends show up not just in good times, but especially in hard times. It's okay to grieve a friendship that no longer supports your growth. Real support looks like listening without judgment and offering space when needed. Being the strong one can feel lonely. You deserve support too. Friendship breakups are real and valid forms of loss. Prioritize friends who lift you up instead of drain your energy. Friendships are a crucial part of your emotional health. This week, focus on nurturing supportive friendships and allowing yourself grace to release those that no longer fit your life. Your mental health thrives in relationships where you feel seen, safe, and supported. Week 8. Love that heals, not hurts. Healthy love feels safe, respectful, and nurturing, not intense or unpredictable. Intensity isn't the same as intimacy. Trust and kindness matter most. Emotional, physical, and psychological safety are the foundation of true love. Love that heals encourages your growth, not your fear. Never confuse drama for passion. You deserve peace. Healthy love allows space for your needs and boundaries. This week helps you recognize what healthy love really looks like and why it matters. When love is healing, it nourishes your spirit and supports your mental health. Require kindness, respect, and safety in all your relationships. Week 9. Family isn't always safe. Family can also be a source of hurt, but you can still heal by setting limits. Setting boundaries with family members is an act of self-care, not betrayal or disrespect. Healing generational wounds takes time and patience. Be gentle with each other. You can redefine family on your own terms. Recovery means rebuilding your identity beyond family trauma. Choosing distance from a toxic family is sometimes necessary for survival. Family relationships are complex and don't always offer safety. This week focuses on healing from family pain, setting clear boundaries, and creating a sense of belonging that supports your mental health, whether inside or outside your biological family. Week 10. Inner relationship, you plus you. Your relationship with yourself sets the tone for every other relationship. Stop abandoning your needs to please others. It's okay to put yourself first. Becoming your own safe space builds resilience and confidence. Self-compassion isn't selfish. It's necessary for healing. Treat yourself like a close friend, with kindness and patience. When you nurture yourself, your relationships improve naturally. This week is all about strengthening your relationship with yourself. The love, care, and boundaries you cultivate internally become the foundation for healthier, happier connections with others. Week 11. Growing together or growing apart. Change is inevitable. The question is whether you grow together or apart. Sometimes growth means redefining the relationship's boundaries. Honest conversations help navigate differences without resentment. You can love someone and still accept that your paths diverge. Staying connected requires effort from all sides. Recognizing when to let go is a form of love, too. This week explores how to handle change within relationships, whether that means growing closer or respectfully parting ways. Growth isn't always comfortable, but it's essential for mental and emotional well-being. Week 12. Celebration and reflection. Celebrating your relationships boosts confidence and motivation. Reflecting on lessons learned deepens your emotional awareness. Recognize that your relationships shape your journey, but don't define you. You deserve safe, loving connections, always. Growth is ongoing. Each day offers new opportunities. Embrace the imperfect beauty of all your relationships. The final week invites you to celebrate your progress and reflect on how far you've come. Remember, your relationships matter, not just now, but for your whole life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Your Relationships Matter. Remember, building and maintaining healthy relationships takes time, patience, and self-compassion. Every step you take toward clearer boundaries, honest communication, and deeper self-awareness is a powerful act of love for yourself and those around you. Keep practicing the tools and insights we've shared, and don't be afraid to revisit these lessons whenever you need a reminder. Your relationships shape your life, but you have the power to shape them too, in ways that honor your worth and well-being. If this video has helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to stay connected for more support. And remember, you deserve relationships that heal, uplift, and empower you. Your relationships matter, today and always. The content in this video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, or legal advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. The views expressed are my own and based on personal experience or opinion. Use the information provided at your own risk.